अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 5. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप सब? How was your winter vacations? I hope you enjoyed your vacations. So, it's our science lesson. So, it's our science lesson. So, for 5 girls, you have to write the date 4th January, right? And the day will be the Thursday, okay? When you will do your work, you have to write the date that 4th January with the Thursday. And 5th January for 5 boys, okay? And 5th January with the day Friday, okay? So, we will start a new unit. And unit number is 7. What is the name of the unit number 7? Let me tell you. First of all, let's guess. Electricity and magnetism. So that's our unit number 7. So first of all, we will study about magnets. What are magnets? That's our topic today. So what's the topic today? Magnet. Have you ever listened that word? Do you know what are magnets? Do you listen about magnets? Do you know how they look? Any of you think about it. Magnet. The word magnet. Let me show you magnets. Wait. So students, we have 2 types of magnets. Look, the first is, look, how does it look? Let's draw it. Let's just small, okay, let's draw here. What is this? ये क्या चीज़ है? What do you think? Exact, yes. Here is S and here is M. What is this? We call it U magnet. Now look at here. This is bar magnet. Still you don't know what is magnet. So look, this is U magnet. Okay. And these are the bar magnet. Bar magnet, and this is U magnet. I can show you the material that ये कैसा है. Is it like a plastic? Is it like a rubber? Look, is it like a rubber? No. Is it stretchable like a elastic? No. Is it like a wood? Let's check the boys. No. It's like a metal. It's like a metal. Look. Just listen the voice carefully. Wait. It's like a metal. Yes, it's a metal. But what is the difference between a simple metal and a magnet? What is the difference between simple metal and the magnet? Think about it. Why we are studying about metals? So, let me tell you. That the magnets are basically metals. These are the types of metals. They are metals, but there is a little difference between metals and magnets is that that magnets has magnetic force. They have a force inside. They have a force inside. Which type of force? Metals does not has any kind of force. Metals के पास कोई force नहीं होती. But when it's about magnets, magnets में तो force होती है. If magnets has a force, then how do we know that they have a force? ऐसा क्या करती है ये जिससे हमें पता चला कि हाँ magnets में force है? Think about it. ऐसे कैसे, कौन सी सबसे पहली बात है? The first point is which type of force they possess, which type of force they have. Think about it. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me tell you. Magnets have a force of attraction and repulsion. What is the meaning of attraction? To attract some specific bodies, some specific objects towards, towards ourselves. That's the property of magnet. At the same time, magnet also has a property to repel specific objects, right? So, first, what is the difference? What is magnet? Magnet is a metal. Magnet is a metal. Then what is the difference between metal and the magnet? Magnets has a force inside, but metals does not has a force inside. Then magnet, what type of force magnet have? किस तरह की force होती है इनमें? They have a force of attraction. What we call it? We call it the force of attraction, right? So they have force of attraction. That's why they are sorry. That's why they are different from the metals. Now, today we will feel that force because we cannot see the force, but we can see the results of the force. So today we will do experiment from the magnets to feel that force. Understand? And that force is called the force of attraction. Understand? I hope you are enjoying that topic. Okay. Now we will do an experiment. Here I have a bag. Okay. And here is a metal on my bag. I hope you can see it clearly. Now I have a magnet. Now look at it clearly. They attract each other. They are attracting each other. Right? Now, let's check. Magnets आयरन को, मेटल को तो अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. क्या ये वुड को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं? लेट्स चेक इट. Look. Now, I am putting it here. I am not doing anything with it, but you will see the attraction. Look, they are attracting towards the magnet because it's a metal. It's a metal. So it means that metal attracts magnet, right? Magnet attracts metal. Okay. Now it's a wood. It's your pencil. It's a wood. Let's check that magnet attracts wood as well or not. Do magnets look? No. There is no attraction. There is no force of attraction. It means that magnet is metal, but magnet is different from the metal, and magnet has force inside, and magnets can attract metals like this. And it's a very interesting experiment. We will do it again when you will come to school, okay? So, look. That's the force of attraction. That's the difference between the magnets and the iron. So students, please open your book. Let's do some reading. Okay, so it's page number 76. Topic is magnets. Please read it first, especially first line. Everyone, please read the first line. Read the first line by yourself, then I will read it again. Magnets. A magnet is a piece of metal. A magnet is a piece of metal with magnetic force. A magnet is a piece of metal with magnetic force which can attract certain metals such as iron. It can attract certain metals such as iron. So, now I hope you understand what is matter, what is magnet, right? So please take out your notebooks. Again, let me remind you. Sorry, beta. So again, let me remind you. Class 5 girls will write the date on your. You will write the date on your notebook. 4th January 2024. Thursday, okay? It's for 5 girls and 5 boys will write 5th January 2024, Friday. The day will be Friday, okay? So please write unit number 7. Please write the name of the unit and then question. Question number 1. What is magnet? What is magnet? That's your question number 1. I'm not going to write the answer. You have to write the answer by yourself as we did in the class. You can take help from your book. Understand? Or you can listen my lesson again. In first 10 minutes, I have explained about the question. What we were talking about in the first 10 minutes about magnets. What are magnets? Think about it. I am giving you 1 minute. You have to write it by yourself. I am not going to write it. Okay? And I will give you the star. If you will not copy paste from the book, or if you will not, you can take help from someone. But I will give you the star, okay? If you will write it by yourself. You also have to draw the diagram, okay? Let's draw small diagrams here. So U magnet. It's North Pole and South Pole. Okay? I hope you now think about the answer, beta. Let me write the answer for you to help you, but I will appreciate if you will write it in your own words, okay? Magnet is a piece of metal. We all know that the magnet is a piece of metal. And what it have inside? With magnetic force. So, what was the next point? Think about it. Magnet is a piece of metal with magnetic force. Okay, think about it. Which can let me erase it. Which can attract certain metals, which can attract certain metals. This is the part of your answer. So, in the next lesson, we will study about what is N. You have to think about it. What is N and what is S? Okay? Sorry. You have to think about it that what is, why it's a sign, why we write that alphabet N and the alphabet S. Have you ever studied about N and S? You have to think about it. Okay? We will study in the next lesson. Understand? So, let me revise the topic and I will ask some question to you. The first question is, what was the topic today? Don't look at the board. Tell me, what was the topic what was the topic today? The topic was magnet. Yes. What was the unit today? Unit 7. What was the name of the unit? The name of the unit was electricity and magnetism. So what was the topic? Magnet. The next question is, you have to think, I will not answer. What is the difference between metal and the magnet? What is the difference between metal and the magnet? Think about it. Okay, I'm not going to tell you. So, what we studied about that the magnet is a metal, but magnet has a force of attraction which is called magnetic force, but metal does not has any force. There's the difference between metal and the magnet. So, the last question, what is magnet? Magnet is a piece of metal with magnetic force which can attract certain metals. And you have to draw the diagram. This diagram is mandatory. Okay? Okay students, in the next lesson we will study about what is N and what is S, and it's your question, it's a question for you or it's a homework for you that you have to think about it, that what is N, what is S, where do you ever study about the N and S? Okay student, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Okay, take care.